If you're wondering what the next 3 upcoming videos on my channel are, you can see them on the screen right now, so if that's something you're subscribed for, stay tuned. By the way, this is the original creator of this theme. Link is in the video description. So let's go ahead and download what we need. First thing that you're gonna need is this package called Rick Skin Windows 10. I have a website, 𝑦𝑡priest.weebly.com. There is a blog section, so feel free to open up the website and check it out. Next, you will also need to download Rainmeter from the official website. Simply find the download final button and click it. Finally, you will also need WinStep Nexus dock, so here it is, free version, simply hit the blue button and there you go. After you acquire all the files, we can start with the installation. First we need to create a restore point, so go ahead and open up start, type in restore and look for create a restore point. First configure and turn on system protection and move the slider. I moved it to about 20%. After that you can click create and create a new restore point, name it whatever you want. Once you're done, you can actually go to system restore and choose any restore point and actually undo the changes that you make. Make sure to do this because this is very important. If you mess anything up or if you want to undo the changes, this is how you do it. First, let's right-click on the wallpaper and set as desktop background. Also, right-click on your desktop, go to personalize, click colors, make sure that automatically pick an accent color from my background is checked. You'll notice that a bunch of buttons will turn green. Next up, let's install Rainmeter. You can choose to launch it at startup or not. I'm going to choose to not do that. Finally, click finish. Finally, let's install Nexus. So I'm going to right click and extract this, open it up and double click it. Finally, you can click finish. Let's go back to the main folder and let's install add-ons. So first we have this add-on over here, double click and click install. You can change the color to green to match the theme basically. Hit close settings. Next, let's go back and install this skin as well. You can also change the color to green to match the whole skin. Close settings. Okay, let's minimize this folder and let's slowly start setting up the desktop. So I'm gonna unload all the unnecessary skins that I don't want. You can keep some if you want, it's up to you. I'm gonna position this here. I'm gonna drag the dock, position it down. Let's open up Rainmeter, look for Mond, and look for recycle bin and load. Here is the recycle bin. I'm gonna right click on the desktop, go show desktop icons to hide the desktop icons. Right click on taskbar, taskbar settings, and check automatically hide the taskbar in desktop mode. I'm gonna position these skins a little better. Finally, let's adjust the dock. I'm gonna right click on this big Nexus icon and I'm gonna go to preferences. So let's scroll through each one of these and see what we can set up. First, under position, I'm gonna make sure this is select as bottom. I'm gonna put this at 0% as center and I'm gonna hit apply. Next, I'm gonna change this to 30 and I'm gonna change this to 0. I'm gonna click dock transparency and I'm gonna move this slider all the way to the right. OK, and apply. I'm gonna go to effects and I'm gonna change mouse over effect to none and I'm gonna hit apply. We can go back to appearance and go label settings, and here's the settings that I have used. So you can see text effect normal and I unticked show label background. Also we can click select label font and I'm actually gonna choose the size of 8 and I'm gonna click OK and apply. So here's the size of the font. You can of course change it if you like. Finally, we can go back to main folder Rick Skin Win 10 and we can go to icons folder and open this folder up, and here we have a bunch of icons that we can simply drag and drop over any of these programs in our dock. So just like this, for example. Finally, one more thing, if you want to change the icon paths, so for example, if you want this icon to point to actually Firefox, you right click, go to dock entry properties, change this to the program, and then simply find where the actual program is installed. So yeah, with a little bit of the adjustment and changing the icons, you can get something like this. So that's pretty much it, guys, for this video. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you liked the video, please consider rating the video, maybe leaving a comment, subscribing to the channel. And that's it for me. I will catch you in future videos. Priest, signing out.